Hey, what's going on, guys? Lost Custom Offsets. Today's video, we're doing another episode of rating your guys' truck transformations. I got Junior with me this time. So what we're gonna do is, we had a bunch of people email in their truck transformations, pretty much showing us from the beginning to the end and how far they've taken it. Now, if you guys want a chance of having your truck rated or doing something like this, you can either email us at tv@customoffsets.com. Otherwise, add your truck to the gallery, customoffsets.com/add. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspensions, or accessories, customoffsets.com. And also, we're doing a giveaway. We're both wearing a hoodie today. McGoy suspension, Axe wheels, amp tires, customoffsets.com/giveaway. It's up to it.
I have no idea what we're doing.
All right, looking at the first one. We've got Chad. Below is my before and after submission. Super Duty?
That is a Super Duty and it is stock.
I dig that color. Ooh, that's on Archons. Hey, you work for Archon.
All right, so it looks like he's got a Morimoto or some aftermarket type of headlights. Got like the C-bar running light in it. Looks sick. I can't tell if these are lights in the grill or if that's just a reflection, but it looks like he murdered out the badge on the front too to kind of give the whole front like a dark.
Got the tints.
My guess is 6-inch lift, 2414s and 35s.
Yeah, we didn't get any specs on this, but I mean,
It looks
overall,
good, though.
yeah, overall looks really good.
I
I
dig it.
really like that color.
Yep.
All right, ready to rate this thing? Transformation and truck.
7. Oh.
7. All right, I'm gonna go with 7 too. I think overall it's a solid start, and that's what's so nice about these Super Duties is it doesn't take a lot. I dig the wheel choice. We don't know much of the specs, but overall I think it's a solid start. That's why I gave it a 7.
Yep, super clean build. Love it with Archon. Went with Fury tires, it looks like too. Morimoto, I'm assuming they're Morimoto headlights, but like just looks like good quality products. Solid overall build. I definitely whip that around as a daily driver for show.
All right, next up we got Jacob Hammer. Recently got a 6.5-inch zone lift, 35, 12.5, Milestar Patagonia ATRs, and 18x9 -12 Vision rockers in gloss black. Could not be happier with the way the truck came out.
That's a stock Silverado, all right.
Stock Silverado. Pretty much did the wheels, tires, suspension. That sums her up.
Peace. Yeah, I dig it. He went with like a super like functional setup. It looks like he actually like uses this thing, takes it off road type of thing. But so he's got like a functional setup to it. He's got plenty of lift there to clear the wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Just yeah, like you said, wheels, tires, suspension, got her done. Did the one thing I would do just to keep like the dark theme going is I would wrap the grille and the front bumper like a dark gray to match the truck. I think that would look super sick, just to kind of bring the colors together. So it's like that dark gray and then the black wheels, and you got your 2 colors going on then.
Instead of just these chrome bumpers, maybe get some tint done. That's always a solid, like, nice, cheaper option as well. Yeah, because that grill blacked out. Woo!
And then if you get some black housing headlights too.
Yeah, would really take this thing a long way. So.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, 6.5.
Oh, 6.5 beat me.
Yeah, I think it's the same way. I think it's a nice solid start. I like that he went with his functional setup. All right, next up, we got Christina. Here's my 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71. From this, ooh, to this. Just kidding, that was another stock photo. To now
Whoa, look at all that.
7-inch rough country lift, rough country front bumper, Anso LED headlights, LED taillights, TAS wheels, 22/12, -44 offset, 35-inch Cooper STT Pro tires, rock lights, wheel ring lights, grill, hood, roof, tailgate wrap satin black, train horns, and so much more.
I like that the hood is wrapped black because that whole, like the bumper staying like the black like that it is.
Yeah.
And then going with the black grill, it gives it a very like mean, tough look.
Yeah, and usually I'm not a huge fan of these huge bumpers, but it looks really good on this, and it's only a Silverado 1500. Like normally 1500s and huge bumpers don't look that good, but she's definitely killing it with this one. I think the teal bow tie I'm not a huge fan of.
That's the one thing that's like kind of throwing me off, but at the same time I kind of like how it like pops with the red. That's her touch. That's what she wanted to do to kind of help it like pop. I was surprised when I saw it because I was expecting it to like be like super clean, all red, one color.
Literally went with like a Z71 package downgraded to change everything.
But I like it because like they did exactly what they wanted to with this then instead of like just keeping it how it was.
Right. All right, 3, 2, 1,
9.
8.5. I think I went with 8.5 just because of the teal that was throwing me off. Otherwise, I was at a 9. like I said, I really dig everything about it. I think the front bumper really surprised me, especially a lot of people maybe can't afford the cubes and light bar right away, and she
it's got like
put
everything.
it in right
It's
away.
got that aftermarket heads. It's got like everything's done up exactly how she wanted it to be. Sweet.
Nice truck,
Good one.
Christina. All right, next up we got Andrew Ventura. No information, nice. Ram 1500, and there it is. Motive wheels,
Question mark?
some sort of tires,
Question mark?
and maybe a leveling kit.
Question mark. That might be a small lift kit. All right, so those are like a 18 by 10 with a 325/70 R18.
All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
Six.
6. I think it's just one, we don't really know a ton about it, so if you guys are sending this in, make sure to include some information. But I think overall it's a solid start. It's pretty much just wheels, tires, and a small lift. Definitely a solid daily driver setup. All right, last one. Rex 5.0.
Dang, that's the before. Where's the after at?
No details on this Rex 5.0. Even came from the factory with dark ass tint.
I don't know that it came from the factory with DAT.
But
Can we make that a song? Like turn WAP into dark ass tune?
Yeah, you fucking with some
dark ass tint.
Oh God.
All right, that's what we got for you guys on today's video. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Once again, if you want to get entered for a free full build giveaway, customoffsets.com/giveaway. We're out.